This zucchini didn't begin as food. It began as a small seed, placed into warm soil and left to do what nature does best. Zucchini plants grow quickly, but they still follow their own rhythm. At first, the leaves spread wide and low, catching sunlight and building energy. Strong leaves are the foundation of healthy plants. Every large leaf you see is working constantly, turning sunlight into growth. Zucchini thrive when they have room to breathe. Space allows air to move freely around the plant, reducing stress and keeping leaves healthy. With enough sunlight, steady water, and rich soil, the plant grows strong without struggle. You'll notice bright yellow flowers appearing early in the season. These flowers are not just beautiful, they are essential. Bees visit them daily, carrying pollen from flower to flower. Without pollinators, zucchini would never form. A garden is always a partnership between plants, insects, soil, and time. Once pollinated, the fruit grows fast. Zucchini can change size in just a few days. This rapid growth is a reminder of how responsive plants are when their needs are met. Consistent watering is important here. Dry soil followed by heavy watering can stress the plant, while steady moisture supports smooth, even growth. Harvesting zucchini is about timing. Picked young, they are tender and mild. Left longer, they grow larger and firmer. Each stage has its purpose. Regular harvesting also encourages the plant to keep producing, extending the life of the garden. Zucchini is more than just easy to grow, it's incredibly nourishing. It's high in water, helping with hydration, and low in calories, making it a light but filling food. Zucchini contains fiber, which supports digestion and gut health. Its vitamins, including vitamin C and B vitamins, help support the immune system and energy production. The skin of zucchini is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body's cells from stress. Eating zucchini supports heart health, digestion, and overall balance in the body. It's gentle, versatile, and easy to include in meals grilled, sautéed, baked, or eaten fresh. There's something deeply satisfying about eating food grown just steps away from where you stand. When you harvest zucchini from your own garden, you're eating something at its freshest, with nutrients intact and flavor at its peak. Gardening teaches us that health begins in the soil. When the soil is alive and cared for, the food it produces carries that care forward. Growing zucchini doesn't require perfection, just attention, consistency, and respect for the plant. As you watch these leaves move in the breeze and the fruit form beneath them, you're seeing a quiet success. No rush, no noise, just steady growth. A garden doesn't only feed the body, it feeds the mind. It slows thoughts, sharpens observation, and reconnects us with natural cycles we often forget. This zucchini is proof that nourishment doesn't need to be complicated. With sunlight, water, soil, and patience, nature provides generously. And in return, all we need to do is notice.